The other day, I was coughing so bad. I said out loud to myself, I'm so sick of this. If I'm in public and I feel like it's coming on, it almost causes me to panic. I've been in the grocery store and I'll feel it, and I try to hold my breath and find a place to hide, like in the bathroom or somewhere, because I never know if it's just going to be a quick cough or if it's going to be a really hard one. There have been times when the cough comes along really suddenly. I might be driving 2 miles, be fine when I leave the house, and halfway there, suddenly that horrible cough starts. It can be scary because I need to pull over until it passes. So I started getting a little more aggressive about understanding what was wrong. In addition to my primary care doctor, I've been to lung doctors, ENTs, gastroenterologists, many doctors, and a lot of testing. Every doctor told me something different, and I pretty much tried everything I could think of. When I finally saw a doctor who told me I have chronic cough, I felt like I was going to cry with relief. I said to him, "You really listened to me.